5 Best Freelancing Jobs for Beginners. Freelancing is contract-based work for a client that can range from one-time contracts to retainer agreements and long-term connections. Freelancing can be a terrific way to supplement your income while working from home, and it's even feasible to develop it into a full-time business. There are numerous benefits of being a freelancer. Some of them are voluntary working. Who you work with, when you work, and where you work are all decisions you make. Freelancing can help you achieve your goals, whether it's to earn a handsome amount of money per hour to per day. Better income development. There's a lot of room for income development. Unlike traditional organizations where employees might get a 3% to 4% rise per year, as a freelancer, you can quickly climb the income ladder by boosting your fees on a regular basis and seeking out better clients. Surprisingly, freelance wages do not necessarily correspond to the level of expertise. Some freelancing jobs are appropriate for beginners, and I've included a few of them in this video. Freelancing jobs for beginners. 1. Social media manager. Most individuals spend hours each day on social media, but many don't understand that it may also be a source of income. Businesses and brands must remain active on social media platforms, which is why they pay freelancers to generate and post content, respond to followers, manage Facebook groups, and answer queries, among other things. It's comparable to what you do for your own profile, but you'd be doing it for a client who would pay you an hourly or monthly rate. This might be appropriate for people who love social media. 2. Content writer. Everything that you read on the internet is content that has been written by someone. The person who writes is a content writer, and the skill is termed content writing. A content writer can write anything like books, emails, social media postings, podcast notes, technical manuals, and other types of material. The term content writing is a bit of a misnomer. However, in many cases, it refers to freelance writers that write blog posts and article content for websites, such as this one. The finest thing is that it is suitable for beginners. There are plenty of entry-level writing jobs available online that you can use to enhance your income. 3. Data entry. This is one of the most straightforward freelancing skills available, as it does not necessitate any particular knowledge. Extracting data from one medium and transferring it to another is the main task in the data entry work. Assume a corporation has to construct an Excel spreadsheet that contains all of its products so they can later use it on their website. They pay a freelancer to do this data entry. The best part about data entry freelancing work is that you may work while listening to music or watching your favorite TV show. 4. Graphic designer. Freelancing in graphic design is a massive field. It includes logo design, social media graphic design, website design. Ad design and animations are some of things that are covered. As well as over 100 more design styles, you have the option of focusing on one form of freelancing job or becoming a jack of all trades to start earning as a freelancer. You don't need a diploma or specialized graphic design abilities. Many businesses only require basic visuals, which you can create for free using Canva. A user-friendly website. You can quickly make fresh designs if you create a few templates on Canva. 5. Editor, proofreader. If you're one who does not love writing, but they adore correcting other people's work, then becoming a freelance proofreader could be perfect for you. However, don't mix up proofreading and editing. Proofreaders are scrupulously enforcing the rules of grammar. Editors, on the other hand, make changes to the structure, flow, style, and accuracy of the information in addition to grammar. As a result, Proofreading isn't as profitable as editing. It is, nevertheless, more beginner-friendly. Once you've mastered proofreading, you can always move on to higher-paying editing positions. Proofreading is for grammar people who pay close attention to the smallest details. Now start searching for your skill, and then freelance your services in that particular niche to get the maximum monetary benefit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more virtual assistant content.